product we would like to highlight is Precision Planting Solutions Flange Bushing Rebuild Kit. This product has a hardened bushing that is going to be seated in the arm, locks into your parallel arm. There's a hex bushing that'll be inserted into that flanged bushing. It's going to take all of the wear out of your arm, give you a nice, solid, better than new product when you're finished. You're going to have a little bit of work in reaming your arms out, but when it's all said and done, you'll have a very good product. It'll take any kind of play out of your parallel arm. The Keeton Seed Firmer is another product we have here. It's going to get you optimal seed to soil contact. It's going to press the seed right down into the trench, get your proper seed depth. It's been a proven bushel gain whenever you add it to your planter. On the precision ag side, SI Distributing offers a couple products from Precision Planting. The first one is the Clean Sweep System. It turns a floating row cleaner into a fully adjustable row cleaner. You can adjust your air and down pressure, and on the go from the cab. There's a unit that mounts in the cab, and then you would get all the plumbing you would need down to each row cleaner, and that's all fully adjustable right inside. You can check out our whole product line at www.sidist.com, or you can give us a call at 1-800-368-7773.